Hey, what are you eating? What are you eating there? That looks like mashed banana. Is it good? You like that frozen banana? Look at all those rolls. What are you doing with that? You need some help? Uh-oh. Search and rescue. Well, that's the wrong way. Feels good still? You want to flip it around? Here, let's flip it. Let's flip it. Flip it. Can you hold it with your hand? You gonna make Mama hold it? You silly girl. Here, hold it. Hold on to it. It's good, huh? You hold on to it, please. Mia, you're being lazy. You want Mommy to hold it for you? What are you doing? Oh my. You see the teeth? There they are. Here they are. Can you hold it? Silly girl. You're devouring that, huh? Oh, you're so silly. Yum, 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 yum. You silly girl. How about if you hold it? Mia. Whoops. Can you grab it? You're waiting for Mommy to grab it. Here. You grab it with your hand. She's like, why should I hold it when you'll hold it for me? Mia. Can you hold it? Here, grab onto it. Grab it with your hand. There you go. Gotta hold on to it. No, don't bang it around. You're gonna splash banana everywhere. You want help?